Hello, today we will guide you through how to change campaign conversion goals in Google Ads. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you are on the main overview screen for the correct account. This is where you can access the settings and controls for your advertising campaigns. If you manage multiple campaigns, it helps to take a quick moment to confirm you are working in the right account before making any changes. Once you are inside Google Ads, click on Campaign in the left side navigation area. This will take you into the section where all campaign-related options are organized. From there, click on Campaigns to open the full list of campaigns in your account. This view is useful because it gives you a clear overview of active and paused campaigns, along with the editing tools you need. Next, find the campaign you want to update and click the checkbox next to that campaign. Selecting the checkbox is important because Google Ads uses that selection to know exactly which campaign you want to edit. Be careful to choose the correct one, especially if several campaigns have similar names or goals. After selecting the desired campaign, click the Edit drop-down menu. This menu contains several bulk action options for campaign management. In this case, you will use it to adjust how conversions are being tracked for the campaign you selected. From the Edit menu, click Update Conversion Goals. This opens the option to change the conversion goals associated with that campaign. Conversion goals tell Google Ads which actions matter most to your business, such as purchases, leads, or other valuable actions. Updating them can help align campaign performance with your current marketing objectives. Once the conversion goal settings appear, make the necessary updates and changes. Take your time here and review your selections carefully before moving forward. Even a small adjustment can affect how campaign performance is measured and optimized, so it is a good idea to double-check that the goals you choose match what you want this campaign to achieve. When you are finished updating the conversion goals, click Apply to save the changes. This final step confirms your edits and updates the campaign settings in Google Ads. And that's it. You have successfully changed the campaign conversion goals in Google Ads. After applying the update, it can be helpful to monitor the campaign over time to make sure the new goals are tracking the right actions and supporting your overall advertising strategy.